So in the wee hours of this morning, probably about 4 o'clock, a little man a drive through Crossroad along Robert Crescent there so, and pull up on a little filly or what he thought was a female. Them negotiate for do a little business. You don't know how the streets run, especially in a certain sections of Crossroad. You have the female them where Gregory Isaac could have called night nurse. Only you alone can quench this a thirst type of thing. So the man negotiate a price and everything, and the alleged female or what he thought was a female jump in a pro box and them head to Beechwood Avenue or one of them little hotel place there, brothel or what you want to call it. So whilst in the place you know, man draw for the rankers and find out say boy is a seed bag down there. So man never take too kindly to that and can him up. Yeah man. Get fi understand said the little man run out with him pengeleng a dangle boat red substance a leak from balls and run go.
We have to boom bye bye, you know what the boy did. And we not promote nobody man, them happy dead. We have to boom bye bye, you know what the boy did. And we not promote nobody man, them happy dead. Them happy. You know you go panty so bad, lay down in a bed for you. Hook up your brother and a round dog leg. Send for the matic and his neck instead. Murder some of them come and quill it them down there. Go play the chat with in a them head. One would you want to cut them like a sliced bread. Anywhere we go, guys, I jump and I said you. Where would you want to know the dance? Boom bye bye, you know what the boy head. And we not promote no idiot sound them happy dead. Boom bye bye, you know what the boy head.